Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Mudassir Inam, lecturer, Department of English, Federal Urdu University of Arts, Sciences and Technology, Islamabad. The course name is Expository Writing. Our fourth lecture is about the writing process. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the pre-writing techniques. Students, these are the outline of today's lecture. Introduction to pre-writing stage, pre-writing techniques such as like brainstorming, free writing, mind mapping, listing, questioning, and outlining. Dear students, before to discuss pre-writing techniques, first I would like to give a brief definition of writing skills. We can define that writing skill is the ability of a person to know that how to articulate, how to write the concept, the idea, the feelings, and the opinion that occur his or her mind in a page paper or in MS Word form by using a specific writing system. For example, if you have the ability to write the information that occur in your mind in English language, so it means your writing skill in English language is good. Now, students, there are three stages in writing process. First is called pre-writing stage, second is writing, and third is post-writing. So in here, we are going to discuss some technique that we are using in pre-writing stage. As it clear from the word pre, which means before writing, means it is a stage where we are not writing. We just only think about a specific topic, because if we directly start writing, so we may be write one paragraph, we may be write two paragraph, but after one or two paragraph, our mind will become blank. So therefore, first we need to think about a specific topic before to start writing on it. Now, students in pre-writing stage, there are some techniques that we are using, and this technique help us to write more and more. So the first technique is brainstorming. Brainstorming is the process of generating idea quickly without worrying about structure or correctness. Writers list as many ideas as possible related to the topic. Means in here, we just only think about a specific topic. Means we are sitting in isolation place and we think about a specific topic. When we start think it, so different information appears in our mind, and we store this information, and then we start writing. For example, there is a topic, ways to stay healthy, means to suggest some ways, some techniques to maintain our health. Now, if we using brainstorming to generate idea to suggest different ways, so we maybe say that exercise. If we do proper exercise, so it helps to maintain our health in a good condition. Another is eating healthy food. If we eat healthy food, so it also helps to maintain our health. in a good condition, another is drinking water and sleeping well. Now, you think and you these different ways or suggestion uh, occur in your mind that it helps to maintain your health in a good condition. Now, this is called brainstorming to think about a specific topic. Now, students, another technique that we are using is free writing. Is it clear from the word free? Free writing means a type of writing where we not think about anything. We just only write because we try to make habit of writing. No, we can define that free writing is a technique where you write continuously for a set time without worrying about grammar, punctuation, or structure. The goal is to let ideas flow freely. It is a natural habit when you are writing something, so information occur in your mind. Your mind start working when you take a pen or pencil and you start your writing. So free writing, and here we not focusing on our grammar. We are not focusing where I have used punctuation mark in a correct way or not. And even we don't think about the structure of sentences. We just only in here try to make our habits. We are writing freely for the purposes that different information occur on our mind about a specific topic. This is our goal. So this free writing is also a technique that we are using before writing. The technique is mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual technique used to organize ideas. The main topic is placed in the center and related ideas branch out from it. For example, if the topic is benefits of reading books, so we will write benefits of reading books in the center, and then we will draw different lines from it. For example, reading books improves vocabulary, enhances imagination, reduces stress, and increases knowledge. Now, the fourth technique is listing. Listing is a technique where you write down key points related to the topic in a bullet form without organizing them. It is useful for quick idea collection. For example, if the topic is how to reduce stress. Now, you are writing different points. For example, you say that exercise helps to reduce stress. This is one point. You say that listening to music also helps to reduce stress. This is second point. And you also think that talk to a friend will helps to reduce stress. This is third point. And you suggest that sleeping well also helps to reduce stress, and this is fourth point. Now, means in this way we write different points in a bullet form, and these different points then help us to write more and more about a specific topic. For example, if you directly start that how to reduce stress, we maybe write one paragraph, we maybe write two paragraph, but after one or two paragraph our mind will become blank. If we write different points. So these points then helps to write maybe one paragraph from exercise, another paragraph we maybe write about listening to music, and next paragraph we maybe write about talk to a friend, and fourth paragraph we maybe write about sleeping well. So these different paragraphs increase our writing about a specific topic. Dear students, the fifth technique is questioning. Questioning involves asking WH family questions such as like what, why, how, who, where, and when about the topic to explore it more deeply. For example, if the topic is online learning and you are asking WH family question such as like what is online learning, why is it important, how does it work, who benefits from it, where can people take online course, when is online learning more effectively. Now these WH family equation help us to write more and more about a specific topic. Now, the sixth, which is last technique, is outlining. Outlining is the process of structuring idea into a logical order before writing. It includes an introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. For example, if the topic is benefits of exercise, so first you have to write introduction of this topic, means the importance of exercise. You have to introduce this topic. Then next is body, where we explain, we describe, we give detail in a different form by providing examples, by providing different references. Now, after that, last is conclusion, where we summarize, we are giving the final thoughts. We again write the main points, the main idea that already we have mentioned in introductory part and main body part. Means when we making outlining for our writing, so it help us to write in a proper way, to give proper structure to our writing. And to give proper structure means to writing in a structure form helps the reader to read it. Your reader will be take interest in your writing if your writing is in a proper structure form. You may have noticed that when a teacher start a lecture, so first he share the outline, that these are the outline of today lecture. We are going to discuss these different aspects about a specific topic. Then it helps teacher to talk about all these different aspects. So whenever you are starting writing about a specific topic, first you need to take help from these different techniques. These techniques helps you to write more and more about a specific topic. Dear students, this is the end of today's lecture. If you have any question, so please write it in the comments box. Thank you.